Hello everybody, my name is Kwame and I work for African Activities. Yes, we love doing a lot of stuff, recycling, painting, drumming, dancing, a lot of stuff. Today I want to show you a little bit of the recycle we do. This time I'll pick a milk bottle. I think everybody uses milk in their homes, and the milk bottles we don't know how they recycle them. Even if we know, I think we can help to recycle them. So here we go. If you have a milk bottle, first cut the base like I've already doing. Cut the base off like this quickly. Then you come up. See, there's a line up there. Even if there's another line, try to cut it into two like this. You get to the almost 3/4. Then you make a little triangle up here. So watch carefully. See, I got something like this. And now, from this angle here, you cut it straight to the handle. Like this. Yes. And quickly, we'll do the same thing to the other side. Make sure anybody doing this, you know how to use your scissors very well. So using scissors is quite dangerous. So I've got something like this. So watch what I'm going to do. So now I put this straight here, and I turn this inside out, turn this inside out. It's watching. Then I straighten this up, and what I do next is I try to shape this one. You can leave it if you want. Yep. But I'll cut it, shape it a bit. Voila. Now I have something like this. What do you think? Yes, you have a flying bird. So with this, what you need to do, you don't throw it to each other or throw it to fly. No, it's quite dangerous because it's very sharp. What we do is we put rope here, make hole here, and put rope on it, and we hang it up on a tree or apple tree, cherry tree, and sometimes you can hang it in your bedroom. And when the wind blows, you open your window, it flies. If you leave it outside, it can fly. Wow. You can take the sticker off. There, can leave it. Yes. So, we've got a bird from empty milk bottle. And you can keep it, you can paint it, you can do it any style you want. And please don't throw it to a friend, or if kids are using it, you can hang it to fly around. So we can use milk bottle to do a lot of things. So if you invite us to your school, we will show you more examples how we can recycle and keep our planet safe. Thank you.